In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile manually created bank transactions in Xero. Whether you're new to Xero or looking to refine your accounting skills, understanding how to properly reconcile your bank transactions is essential. Let's make sure those records are accurate and up to date, shall we? First, when you connect your bank feeds to your Xero account, reconciling your transactions ensures your financial records in Xero match those in your bank statement, a crucial step in maintaining accurate financial data so that you are always aware of your business's financial status. Now, let's head to the Xero dashboard. You're going to start by navigating to the Home tab. Once you're there, you'll notice a button labeled Reconcile. Go ahead and click on that. This is where the reconciliation magic happens. You'll see your transactions displayed in a list. The screen is divided into two sections to help you clearly manage the information. On the left side, you'll find your bank statement lines. These are the transactions your bank has recorded. On the right, Xero presents the transactions you've recorded. This layout gives you a side-by-side comparison of your bank's records and your accounting, making it easier to spot discrepancies. One of the fantastic features of Xero is that it will automatically try to match similar transactions from your bank transactions to your recorded ones. When there's a match, it saves you time and potential headaches. However, sometimes Xero can't find a perfect match, which is where you come in. If Xero doesn't automatically match a transaction, you have two main options. Option 1 is to manually create the record directly in Xero. This is useful if you realize you've missed entering a transaction. Simply click to create a new record, enter the details that reflect your bank statement, and save it. It's important to ensure that every detail matches your bank's records exactly. This includes the date, amount, and any references or notes. Option 2 is to search for a matching record that didn't get matched automatically. If the transaction was perhaps already entered in Xero but not matched, you can look through your existing entries on the right-hand side and match it manually. Taking this time to carefully check and verify the matches will go a long way in maintaining the integrity of your financial records. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your accounting records in Xero are accurate and reflective of your bank statements, setting the stage for more confident financial decisions. By staying on top of this reconciliation process regularly, you'll make your end-of-month and year-end financial summaries a breeze. Thanks for watching, and happy reconciling!